Welcome back to Agricast, the show that empowers farmers with facts, stories, and solution. I am your host Deborah Ike, and today's episode is one we cannot ignore: GMO, health, and our future. Should we be worried? Now, there's so much fear around genetically modified organisms. From WhatsApp broadcasts to village gossip, people are saying GMOs causes cancer, infertility, or even make the land barren. But what's true and what's myth? That's what we'll find out today. Let's define GMO again. GMO stands for genetically modified organism. In farming, this means a crop that has been scientifically altered to perform better, maybe to resist pests, grow in drought, or produce more yield. But here are the concerns of people. 1. GMO causes cancer. They reduce fertility in men and women. Eating GMO food will poison your blood. They grow unnaturally fast and spoil your system. Well, there's no solid scientific evidence that GMO causes cancer, infertility, or genetic defects in humans. Dr. Chioma Okafor, a nutritionist, said, "When we eat GMO crops, we digest them like any other food. The genetic changes doesn't enter your bloodstream. They break down in your stomach like normal plant proteins." Still worried? That's okay. It's good to ask questions, but let's use facts and not fear. GMO crops go through allergy testing before approval. Regulators check for new proteins that may trigger reactions. For example, Nigeria's NBMA ensures every GMO crop is evaluated for food safety, nutrition, and environmental impact before it is sold. It takes 7 to 10 years for a GMO to pass all trials and approvals. That's longer than most drugs. The truth is, no country has banned all GMO due to health issues. Some limit them for trade or politics, but that's not because they are poisonous. Another concern is, will GMO damage the soil or destroy our biodiversity? That's a valid question. Overuse of any crop, GMO or not, can reduce soil fertility. But GMOs can actually help the environment by reducing pesticide use, since crops are pest resistant, reducing tillage, which protects the soil, and reducing post-harvest loss by producing stronger crops. It's about responsible use. Like any tool, if used wisely, GMO can benefit both the land and the farmer. Let's be honest, we should always be cautious of what we eat, but we shouldn't fear something just because it is new or foreign. Every GMO in Nigeria has passed multiple safety tests. If it's approved by NBMA and NAFDAC, it's being checked by Nigerian scientists. What we should fight is not GMO, but lack of regulation, fake seeds, and misinformation. How can farmers decide what's best? 1. Read labels. Know if your seed is GMO or not. Ask your agro dealer. 2. Test before adoption. If you must, try GMO on a small plot first, then you compare. Lastly, focus on yield, safety, and cost, not fear. Thank you for joining me today on this episode. Note, this is not Agricast endorsing GMO. This is Agricast stating written facts. We encourage you to work with what works best for you. Hence, the government has not banned GMO. It will still be around, so be wise with your decision. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.